I thought there was a lot of cheese on the cheesy pub chicken sandwich, but you clearly went all out here.
There's places in here where there isn't cheese right now.
I know. I'd like to keep it that way.
Cheese it up with the cheesy pub chicken sandwich. This is how you Sonic.
Hey, we go out there. We're the first ones to go out, baby. We set the tone, all right? Let's go! Hey, see it and make the read and play. Let's go! As soon as they turn their bodies to do the slant, as soon as they go like this, and just get on it, all right? Hey, nice job, baby. I see you. Hey, I like your number, bro. Mike scope. Left, left. Hey, watch switch. Check over there, check over there. Bro, stop doing it. Stop doing it, bro. You're gonna get open. Dude, do you like Sonic?
Yeah, dude, I love Sonic.
Hey, since they got me mic'd up, I think I should get free food from there tonight. Especially because we won, too.
I know. The deals.
Their ices are the best ices ever.